All right, hello everybody. I was just notified that the second link does not work properly. Well, it does. We just have to take care of a little business here. So here's a short little video on how to get that taken care of. So first thing, right, this is for the plasma membrane transport Webquest. When you click on this link, it comes up like this, and it goes, okay, it's blocked. Well, what you do is you'll come up here to your little lock here, and you may have this, you may not. So if you don't, right, if you do, then it's just a matter of saying allow. If you don't, then we have to go to site settings, and we're going to come down here to where it says, right, flash. So we're going to allow that. And then we're going to go back up to our site and then just hit reload. Sometimes you don't even have to reload, but if you do, click on that and everything should work as normal. Okay? So I hope that was helpful. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to email me.